What are the benefits of sea moss? Sea moss, scientifically known as Chondrus crispus, is a type of algae or seaweed. It grows in waters along the rocky Atlantic coasts, primarily between North America and Europe. This spiny sea vegetable is harvested for health benefits and is used as a health supplement. If you want to know what are the benefits of sea moss, then stay tuned, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button to see more informative content. Sea moss. Sea moss is commonly harvested in New England to extract carrageenan, a gelatinous carbohydrate that's used in baked goods and cosmetics. Sea moss is often used to thicken soups and stews. It's an edible sea plant similar to other seaweeds, algae, and other familiar leafy sea vegetables, like kelp or dulse. Sea moss grows in many colors, such as various shades of green, yellow, purple, red, brown, and black. The most common varieties that grow in warmer waters are generally red and often called Irish moss. Sea moss consists of 92 trace minerals. Imagine a single whole food that's naturally packed with a mineral punch like no other. It is often popularly believed that sea moss holds a staggering 92 trace minerals that are found in the human body. Sea moss has non-heme iron, potassium iodide, potassium phosphate, magnesium, and calcium, which strengthens the bones and can assimilate with the human body. Sea moss is a vegan, gluten-free source of many nutrients. It includes vitamin B2, vitamin B12, calcium, chromium, magnesium, and zinc. It is also a natural source of iodine, which is a micronutrient for thyroid health. Red seaweeds like sea moss are full of antioxidants that help protect your cells from disease-causing oxidative damage. Sea moss promotes a healthy thyroid. Thyroid glands have a very important part to play when it comes to the management of hormones. The two main hormones the thyroid is responsible for managing are thyroxine and triiodothyronine. These are constructed with 3 or 4 iodine atoms per molecule. The iodine from seaweed is critical in helping to support effective thyroid function. It is in the mixing of iodine, which had been absorbed by the thyroid with tyrosine, which is an amino acid that makes thyroxine and triiodothyronine. The thyroid is responsible for supporting and maintaining healthy and effective function of the digestive system, heart, cholesterol levels, brain, mood, hormone balance, bones, muscle control, reproductive organs, and nervous system. Sea moss is a solution to your thyroid disorders. Iodine can be considered a food source for your thyroid. Supports a healthy heart. Some studies have found that seaweed reduces LDL cholesterol and acts as a blood thinner, which may help reduce the risk of heart problems. It is a reliable source of vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids. It includes folic acid, potassium, vitamin D, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Sea moss supports your heart health by boosting blood flow and improved circulation, which helps to control and regulate blood pressure. It builds stronger blood vessels and greatly slows their deterioration. It increases oxygen saturation in the blood, which is critical for a healthy body all around. It also helps to reduce the buildup of bad cholesterol that results in the blood vessels being clogged with flow-choking fatty linings. It fights free radicals through strong antioxidant properties, which helps to prevent organ oxidation. Promotes better immune system. One study in salmon found that supplemental seaweed improved immune modulation and immune response. Sea moss possesses properties including antiviral, antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anticoagulant, and probiotic. The probiotic properties of sea moss are great for gut health, which supports a healthy immune system. Sea moss also fights infections and helps with treating sore throats, chest coughs, tuberculosis, bronchial infections, and pneumonia. Better digestion. The sea moss plays a vital role in improved digestion, reduction of foggy brain, better sleeping, regular bowel movements, feeling more energetic, and lighter. Sea moss helps by lining the digestive system with probiotics. The anti-inflammatory properties are great for an irritated bowel and helping to heal gut-related issues. Swelling, inflammation, and discomfort have been reported to greatly reduce when sea moss gel is regularly consumed. It can help cure ulcers, gastritis, indigestion, and constipation. Sea moss also helps good gut bacteria thrive as it makes for a great food source. Sea moss is highly effective in getting rid of toxins. Improves metabolism. The metabolism converts food into energy and distributes the nutrients to the cells. The cells then use the nutrients as building blocks. It then distributes the vitamins and minerals to the cells to help the body function efficiently. This includes the anatomy of the body's respiratory and reproductive, peripheral nervous, central nervous systems, regulating blood flow and organ function. Once all the nutrients are distributed, then it converts the excess food into waste for elimination. The sea moss also plays a part in the BMR, which affects how well the body processes calories, which ultimately impacts an individual's weight. Maintains a healthy weight. Studies have shown that a compound in seaweed called fucocoxanthin promoted fat metabolism in rats. It is believed that fucocoxanthin may help combat obesity. Additionally, Irish moss is an appetite suppressant and makes you feel fuller for longer. Due to the high mineral content, you may find that you won't be eating as much food. A lower calorie intake ultimately leads to weight loss. It may also help to reduce or even eliminate cravings for processed foods, fats, sweet foods, and caffeine. Increases oxygen content in the body. Irish sea moss is an electric food known to have alkaline properties. An alkaline diet consists of whole plant-based foods which increase the oxygen content in the body. Improves blood sugar management. One study found that the compound fucoxanthin in seaweed reduced high blood sugar. Another study found that a compound in seaweed called alginate prevented blood sugar spikes in pigs. Fights acne and aging. Sea moss offers antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help with issues like acne and aging skin, says Joshua Zeichner, MD, Director of Cosmetic and Clinical Research in the Department of Dermatology at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York City. It is rich in sulfur, which is known to lower levels of microorganisms on the skin and soothe inflammation. Sea moss also contains vitamins and minerals like magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin K, and omega-3 fatty acids, which help to hydrate and promote healthy skin cell function, he adds. Sea moss is a journey to health and wellness. Sea moss is made up of collagen proteins, which strengthen and repairs the connective tissues. From post-workout recovery to replace the minerals that you need to perform your activities, sea moss helps you to gain strength. If you experience joint and/or muscle pain, it will also provide relief and lubricate the joints. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to know about more benefits or flaws of sea moss, then comment down below. We'll see you in another video.